Yeah, sorry we've been away for a little while, but we've been spending a lot of time scuba diving and all that, so not much time to do the videos and things. But anyways, here the little guys right there just helping me. This morning we taking this stuff apart, cleaning, and getting everything ready for wherever we go next. Um, Pretty good so far. I think Pablita had a little scare just a minute ago with a wetsuit. So she went flying around the room and then came back. So she was pretty good. Oh, hi. They're still a little bit sleepy because they just woke up a few minutes ago. Oh, more than a few minutes ago. I guess 30 minutes ago. But, and then yesterday, I was rushing to get stuff done so I didn't get to take them out in the morning. So the girlfriend took them out. So I think Pablita's a little mad at me right now. And she doesn't hesitate to let me know. Oh, do you see yourself? Oh? Okay. And this is gonna take a long time, one item one by one. Here we go. Keep going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Hi. Oh, I missed you too. I missed you too. Okay. And towels. So many towels. I'm not even sure which ones are clean, which ones are dirty. God, sounds everywhere. Whoosh. We're gonna make everyone dizzy. Yeah, we are. Whee. Okay. Finally, got to one of the big bags. Okay, you ready? It's gonna be a big one, so don't be scared of a big bag. There we go. Oh, jeez. Oh, welcome back. See, you like flew away, then you came right back. Hi. See, it's just a bag. Let's go. Every road. Hi, Basil. Yeah, the lawnmower guy's coming too, so don't bark, please. Oh, jeez. There we go. Oh, that's. Let's see if we can get him in focus, maybe. I don't know if we can or not. But... oh, yeah. You guys gonna stay up there? 1, 2. Rango, you feel light. Almost didn't feel you back there. Hi. Hi. Why don't you guys play on the bed? Okay, anyways, it's kind of hard to record and get this done at the same time. So, anyways, that's the update for right now. I'm gonna play with them for a little bit here in a minute. But I gotta get some of this stuff done. So then I gotta go to work. Hi. Hi, Rango. Anyways, you guys have a good day.